So I decided to do fried chicken a little bit differently, and this is the technique I'm going to stick to. What I do, guys, actually, which is going to be a very controversial hot take for some of you, is I actually slightly poach the chicken. So I do put the chicken and I brine it and marinate and everything, but I do poach it before I actually go to fry it. So it's not cooked all the way, but it's just enough to get those seasonings really cooked in it, and seasoned in the chicken. And then instead of using eggs at this particular point, I just use buttermilk. And I think that's the greatest way. So I do a double dip. I'll do the buttermilk seasonings. And I use a blend of cornstarch and flour so you get that nice crispy outer as well. And I don't even use skin. I do it boneless, skinless, and it's really about that outer, right? So that gives you that nice layer. So you get the same taste that you would if it was chicken with the skin on it, but I don't even bother. And as you can see, I am no stranger to seasonings. I mean, I get that all in there, guys. I season the flour and I season the water in the poaching, of course, like I said, for the marinade, but this is not an unseasoned household. Everything gets seasoned, right? Front to back. That's what we do.